Candid, New Trends in Computers. Book 6.
Chapter 4 MS PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a powerful presentation program in which we can show our data in the forms of high-quality formatted text, diagrams, pictures, photographs, tables, and charts. Inserting table in a slide. Select the slide that you want to add a table to. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table. In the Insert Table dialog box, specify the number of columns of your table. Specify the number of rows of your table. Click OK button. Entering text or data in a table. To add text to the table cells, click a cell and then enter your text. Give suitable headings in the table. After you enter your text, click outside the table. Note: to add a row at the end of a table, click inside the last cell of the last row and then press Tab key. Copy and paste a table from MS Word. In MS Word, click the table that you want to copy, and then under Table Tools on the Layout tab in the Table group, click the arrow next to select and then click Select Table. On the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click Copy. In your PowerPoint presentation, select the slide that you want to copy the table to, and then on the Home tab, click Paste.